Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to share with you this map burn effect that I created and used in one of my recent videos. This effect can be used to represent the destruction of a country or the dissolution of an empire or simply the burning of an object on the map. For example, in this particular setup, what we have is a map feature that is going to be burned like this. So let me quickly walk you through how it works and how I created it. First, we have this base burn composition, and in this we have a solid on which, if you see, fractal noise is applied. And in the fractal noise, these are the values, and the brightness is basically a simple brightness animation. Brightness decreases from 242 at 5 seconds marks to something like minus 260 or 270. And then we have these curves serves as basically instrument to increase the contrast between the blacks and whites. To create a sort of burn texture, we use this. So this gives us this base of the burn, and then we have the map feature or any other object on which this burn is going to be applied. This map feature is going to be track mat to the base like this. And lastly, we have this stylization of this burn with the colors. And here are the values that I used to stylize the burn. First, for the colors, I used a tritone effect. Then I applied two deep glows like this. You can increase or decrease their values according to your likings. And let's go into this stylize the burn composition, and we have this burn lines. And again, if you go into this, we have this kind of texture. The effect is same, the same burn layer, the same application of the fractal noise is applied on it. So the same curve. This is just I made a copy of it and refined the edges like this. So yeah, this is basically how I created it. And now I'm going to show another use case for this effect. And for that, I have to open a project that I am currently working on. So here you can see
In
what,
1804,
let me just mute the audio. So here we can see that we have some fire burning, and there's this Molotov cocktail being thrown on Napoleon flag. And what we want to see is that some kind of burning on this Napoleon flag or flag holder, whatever you call it. And this is the layer for this flag holder. And now I'm going to import this burn effect. Let's rename these layers as burn base, and this one to stylize the burn. And these are the two compositions that we are basically going to use to make our object burn. And let's apply the stylize above like that. Let me just, sorry, and this one below it. And now we are going to set up some boundaries for these textures. And for that, I'm going to first convert them to 3D and then parent them to the Heathy layer, anchor layer. Next, I'm going to fragment this and the object to the base layer like this. So let me just see. So we have something like this, but it's not going away. We also have to change the mode of these. As you can see, there is this screen and overlay mode. For the stylized one, I'm going to change it to screen, and for this one I'm going to change it to overlay. So we have something like this, but right now the style is not appearing on it. So the point is that when the burn happens, it should start disappearing. So what we can do is that apply this opacity on it like this. And for the stylized, let me just copy the effect from this. So I think we kind of reached at our destination. So this is how this burn effect works. You can check out this template on my Patreon page if you like, and if you have any questions about it, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.